The tropical forests produce oxygen for the world. You know, air, we need it to breathe. Every second, an area the size of a football field is gone, forever. Every hour, 1 to 6 animal species is destroyed, gone forever. At this rate, the entire rainforest will be gone in 50 years, forever. The forests give us life. We've got to find a way to preserve them. When the trees go down, the whole system collapses. Welcome to Bungle The Jungle.
No, really, we love to have a good time at each other's expenses.
And Pepsi.
And the English tabloids. And the Prince's Trust.
Wait, and Reverend Wadman.
And Sean.
Sandy, you said, you promised. You bitch. Well, they say we are. We don't know. We won't find out until we grow.
You got me, and baby, I'm not you. Baby, I got you, baby. I got you, baby. Well, they say love won't pay the rent before it's up. Our money's all been spent. Yeah, well, I know we don't have a car, but at least I'm sure of all the things we've got. Babe, I got you, babe. I got you, babe. I got flowers in the spring. It's too long. I don't care if we have to work. So let's take a walk out there. Let's take a walk on the wild side. Don't believe those stories. Believe those stories. I got it away.